If you're looking to start a business in Virginia, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to get registered and figure out the best structure for you.
So right out of the gate, you've got this huge decision to make. How you structure your business is going to affect everything, from how you pay taxes to whether your personal assets are protected. Let's find the right path for you.
This video contains affiliate links. I have a relationship with the brands in this video and earn a referral fee when you shop through the links in the description below. Before we dive into the exact steps of registering your business in Virginia, let's talk about your foundation. You absolutely cannot build a successful brand or protect your personal assets without a properly structured legal entity. Most people try to launch as a sole proprietor or cut corners on their state filings, and that is exactly why they face massive personal liabilities or rejected applications. Whether you decide on an LLC, a C-Corp, or an S-Corp, your business must be a legitimate separate entity. That's where Busy comes in. Busy is the best service out there, handling your entire Virginia business formation for just $0 plus state fees. They take care of all the heavy lifting, filing your paperwork, providing your legally required Virginia registered agent, securing your EIN, and setting up your compliance alerts. This is non-negotiable to stay compliant and protect your wealth. Use my link in the description below to get your Virginia business set up right through Busy today and unlock exclusive discounts and perks. Get that handled first. Okay, first things first. Let's really get a handle on the main business structures you'll be choosing from. Getting this foundation right is, well, it's everything. Think of the LLC. This is, the superstar for a lot of new businesses, and for good reason. It's like putting up a firewall between your personal savings and any business debts, but it's still super flexible and way easier to run than a big corporation. And here's where it gets a little tricky, but it's super important. An S-Corp, it's not a thing you form from scratch. It's a tax status you choose for your LLC. It's a strategic tax move, not a starting point. That's a key distinction. So for most of you, the road to becoming a business owner is going to start with an LLC. Let's walk through exactly how you do that in Virginia, step by step. And hey, the best part, it's actually pretty simple. You can do the whole thing online, and it really just boils down to these 4 key steps. First things first, you gotta pick a name. And there are rules. It has to be one of a kind in Virginia, and you have to tack on LLC or limited liability company at the end. The state's website has a super handy tool to check if your brilliant name is already taken. Okay, step 2, you need to name a registered agent. This is basically your business's official point person for any legal mail or official government stuff. And listen, they need a real physical street address in Virginia. No P.O. boxes allowed. All right, now we're at the main event. Step 3 is filing the Articles of Organization. This is the official paperwork. You just log into the state's online portal, you're gonna click Limited Liability Company, then Articles of Organization, and boom, you're on your way to making it official. So what's this gonna cost you? Just $100. That's the flat fee to get your LLC officially registered with the state. And pro tip, pay online. It's way faster, and you'll usually get your approval in just a day or 2. Last step, but definitely not least, the operating agreement. Now, technically, Virginia doesn't make you have one, but trust me, you absolutely want one. Think of it as the instruction manual for your company. It lays out all the rules and can save you from massive headaches down the road. So your LLC is live. Congratulations! But we're not done. Now we can talk about that strategic tax move we mentioned earlier, electing to be treated as an S-Corp. And don't worry, this isn't some super complicated process. It's really just 3 things. Make sure you're eligible, file one specific form with the IRS, and then just tweak your internal paperwork a bit. Okay, so the entire S-Corp thing, it all comes down to this one piece of paper, IRS Form 2553. This is you raising your hand and telling the IRS, hey, from now on, I want you to tax my LLC like an S-Corp. That's pretty much it. But you gotta watch the calendar on this one. You have a pretty strict window, 75 days, so about 2.5 months from when you form your business to get this form filed. If you miss that deadline, you'll have to wait until the next tax year. All right, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's put it all together. Seeing these structures compared directly will really help you figure out what makes the most sense for you and your business. And when you look at it like this, a couple of things really jump out, right? Look at taxation. With an LLC, the money passes through to you, and you pay taxes once. With a C-Corp, the business pays taxes, and then you pay taxes again on your profits.
That's huge. Plus, the amount of formal paperwork for a C-Corp is just way higher.
So, who is the LLC for? It's for you if you value freedom and simplicity. If you want to run your business your way without a ton of corporate red tape and formal meetings, the LLC is almost always the right call.
But what about that S-Corp election? This is where you get strategic. If your business is making good, steady money, the S-Corp can be a game changer. Why? Because it can potentially save you a ton on self-employment taxes. You pay yourself a reasonable salary, and the rest of the profits can come out as distributions, which are often taxed at a lower rate. Okay, let's wrap this all up. After looking at everything, what's the real verdict? What's the best path forward for a new Virginia business? You know, for the vast majority of people, the answer is crystal clear. Start with a Virginia LLC. It gives you that critical shield for your personal assets, but it keeps things simple and flexible. You can always make that S-Corp election later on when your business is really humming.
So there you have it. The legal stuff is just the first step. It's the launch pad. The really fun part. The real question is, what are you going to build with it?